Good morning, children of class 4. How are you all? I think all of you are safe at your home. Okay, now today I am going to teach a poem from your literature book. The name of the poem is Two Trees, that is written by Eunice de Souza. Okay, she was the first Indian English language poet. She published 4 volumes of poetry and also edited various anthologies of poetry and pipped down 2 volumes of novel. Okay, and Two Trees is taken from one of the novella, that is Denzel Love. So let's start the poem. There was a garden in the city. Okay, there was a garden in the city. It was common to all. It means that it was common to everyone. There were 2 trees near which there was a garbage heap. You know what is the meaning of garbage heap? See, I am writing here. Garbage heap. It means untidy of food, paper and other waste that we throw away. So there were 2 trees near which there was a garbage heap. Garbage heap means untidy pile of food, paper and other waste that we throw away. Garbage brings a barbets. You know what is the meaning of barbets? Brightly colored fruit eating birds. Okay, there was bulbul singing in the Ashoka. Sparrows, manas, crows were also the part of the garden. And who loved the peepal tree? Parrot loved the peepal tree, and there were lots of noise. Okay, there were lots of noise. So the lady who is there on the 3rd floor, who is living on the 3rd floor, she can't sleep. Why she can't sleep? Because there was lots of noise going on. So what she told? She told to cut down the trees. She told to cutting down the trees because she can't sleep for noise, as the noise of the nail finger scratching the blackboard. Okay, so all of you understood the poem. This is a very short poem. So the overall conclusion of this poem is that the poem is centered around 2 trees that attract a lot of birds. Okay, the poem is centered around 2 trees that attract a lot of birds at the time of spring. Okay, so class 4 children, it's a request to all of you, whenever you are understanding the concept of poem, first try to read the poem line by line. Then it will be very easy for you to understand the whole poem, whole concept carefully. Okay, and what is your today's assignment? I am going to give you, you have to write a summary. You have to write a summary on the poem. Which poem? 2 trees in about 100 words. Okay, wait, I am giving you. Write a summary . Write a summary of the poem Two Trees in about 100 words. So today's assignment is what? Write a summary of the poem Two Trees in about 100 words. It means that you have to write by your own. So first read the whole poem carefully line by line and again see this video, then it will be very easy for you to understand the whole concept and you will write by your own. And one thing almost I want to tell to all the class 4 children, whatever assignment you are getting from any teacher, it's a request to all the children that you have to complete the whole assignment carefully and be punctual in time. Take care of yourself. Meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you.